How to make your account public on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your account public on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click here in the bottom corner, and after click on it just click these three lines and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, second one, privacy, select it, and here we'll find it, private account. Now all you need to do is just click on it and click switch, and as you see private account have been disabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.